Try some of Devil's Pizza, baby.
Keys. Keys.
Edit that sa intention.
Rainbow. Rainbow. Grapes. Grapes. Turtle. Turtle. Popsicles. Tomatoes. Tomatoes. Pie.
You don't want to eat that. You're just only going back.
Pie. Crab. Crab.
Hurry, baby. The brown guy's coming. Woo, 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 woo. Mango thief
Yogurt.
trying to escape.
Lamp.
You're getting too chubby to escape.
Lamp. Hamburger. Hamburger. Earth.
Pajama Maria.
Earth.
My Lord.
Jam.
Hey, you want some devil's pizza? Making the devil's pizza, baby.
Jam. Bee. Bear.
Folks, I got the devil's pizza.
Bear.
Leftover devil's pizza for breakfast. I know all y'all want to try that. That's going to be absolutely delicious. I hope the camera does that some justice.
Fire. Pumpkin.
Yeah, baby, just in time. Bring Big Daddy some of that royal.
Pumpkin. Shoes.
So I got to eat that devil's pizza.
Swan.
Mm.
Swan.
Oh, it's very spicy, sweetie. Spicy pizza.
Snowman.
Mm-hmm.
Snowman. Tiger.
Cream cheese is what does it. You got to put the cream cheese to it.
Walnuts. Walnuts.
I see this is better, even better left over because it takes a lot of the bite out sitting in the row.
Fox. Fox.
Baby, you want some devil's pizza?
Wood. Wood.
Starting to get a little sweat on my brow.
No, don't put your
What is it?
mouth in there.
Why?
Knife.
You're eating spicy.
I'm not backwashing it. Just don't put your lips right there. That was absolutely delicious. But it's hot. I ain't gonna lie, it's hot. It got sweat all over my brow. My mouth is on fire. But just such a great flavor. With those peppers, the burn, what really ties it together is the rug, man. No, it's the cream cheese. Cream cheese ties together that spice, that juice with the pizza crust, so to speak. Every 2 months, I gotta cook up a creamy Diablo, or now the devil's pizza. But you can't eat this shit every day. Folks, it's so wonderful having children, right? And like I said, it's having a son versus a daughter. It's just two totally different dynamics and things that make you laugh. This girl right here, you know, she comes into my office. Well, my office is a table in the bedroom. Ain't no office. It's just where I put my laptop on this table. And she comes in here, and she does her work, she does her makeup, and she's got her money. She's got a bunch of pesos. She comes in here every day and organizes her money, counts her money. And she's so sweet. Every day she tries to give me like 20 pesos. And I'm like, look, you know, keep it. I want you to have it. Keep it in the cupboard right there, because it's got a key and we lock it up. That way Forrest G can't come in here, maybe accidentally swallows one of the pesos, you know. So she's supposed to keep it locked up every day. She's so sweet. She tries to give me 20, 25 pesos. I'm like, honey, I don't want it, you know. I want you to keep it. And she insists, and I said, well, we can't put it over here on the bed because Forrest G will come in here and maybe grab it, right? So my hat's on the bed laying like this. And she said, we're going to put it in your hat. I said, sweetie, if you put all your coins in Papa's hat, I can't wear the hat. And plus, he can still get to it. So,
I did not.
yeah, but we can't put it in Papa's hat, sweetie. That's not a good piggy bank, okay?
I did not.
Yeah, you just keep it over there in your little bank and you lock your cabinet, okay? So we're in like a stalemate for like 5 minutes because she wanted to use my hat as a piggy bank. Okay. You're so sweet, sweetie.
What did you do?
And I said, you want me to give the pesos to Mama Tima? No. You don't want to give Mama Tima some pesos?
No.
No? Why not?
Daddy, Mama, more money out there.
Oh, Mama's got more money than you? Oh, okay.
Mama, daddy, money out there.
She's got bigger money?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you know where Mama Tima keeps her money?
Yes.
Can you show Papa? Yes? Yeah, thank you. Oh, life is good. Want to sing a song with Papa? You want to sing our song? You ready? Here we go. I love my sweetie girl. I love my sweetie girl. I love my sweetie girl. I love my sweetie girl.
Happy birthday.
I love my Forrest G. I love my Forrest G. Love my Forrest G. I love my sweetie girl. I love my sweetie girl. I love my sweetie girl. I love my Maria Mercedes.
Happy birthday.
Yes?
Hello.
May I help you? Angry things looking at me. What'd I do?
Mama, Tima, open. Why you know?
Hey, buddy. 'Cause I love my Forrest G.
Ayaw mo pala?
I love my Forrest G. Love you, buddy.
Anak. Hindi ka ba watcher?
What you making, baby? Baby, I've observed that you've been wearing new shorts like 3 days in a row now.
Noy po. Ala, Noy, I washed this too, na. Shit.
I didn't say you didn't wash it, Che. I said you've been wearing them every day.
Not every day, I just wear it. Like, ito, ay, comfortable.
You gotta pedal all the way around. Yeah, go all the way around. There you go. Good job, sweetie. Go.
Bear. Swan. Swan. Tiger.
Good.
The wine is hot.
Where's my sleeper for us?
Today is my birthday, but I don't think anyone knows this is Flora.
Well, how about just the two of us celebrate?
Yeah, but I wanted a big party, and all my friends celebrating with me.
I see.
Compact wall, Alpha 1 go again. The Alpha 1 will carry buttons because it's so only in the world. And of course, the first.
Come on. I told Fatima, I said, I'm not riding on the back of that motorbike today. I'm riding inside the trike. And she said, but your butt is so big.
Yeah.
Honey, that's so funny coming from you. It really is. Maria looks like she's looking out the door of a UH-1. Looking out the door of that Huey. How you doing there, Forrest G? Doing good, buddy? I like your hat, man. Where'd you get that hat, son?
That's mine.
No, that's Forrest G's hat.
No, this is mine, the one that's
Honey,
subscribed.
it was yours.
Yeah, it was mine.
Yeah, now it's Forrest G's. Got some good news and some bad news about the pork. There's no pork chops. We got pork loin, so we can eat some pork. It's gonna be delicious, but there's no fat on there. I said, man, what's the deal with the pork chops? We went to 3 places. He said, voila. Here's the news about the pork chops. We went to 3 different places. Everybody's out of pork chops. They were out of pork chops yesterday. I asked the dude, I'm like, hey man, what the hell's up with the pork chops? No damn pork chops. There's no pork steaks. What's up with that? Yeah, farm, man. Home, James. Home, my friend. Yeah, back home, brother. So I said, man, what's up with the pork chops? I said, if we come in the morning, are there any available? And he says it all depends on the delivery. And I said, okay, you're not even getting them delivered. I said, is it because of the restaurants? He said, yeah. The restaurants are ordering, 10 kilos at a time, 15 kilos at a time, whatever. And so they're not even getting delivered any stock of pork chops or pork steaks. So it don't matter how early you go, ain't none there. So, it's a wonderful thing. All the tourists are coming back. People are starting to make money. Get some of these businesses and these bars back into black. Everybody's traveling. Love it. But y'all taking up all the pork chops. Damn. I'm gonna have to go all the way to the Pampang market early in the morning. Beat the restaurants over there. And hopefully I can get some damn pork chops and pork steaks. Because Fresh Options is bingo. Voila. If I might want some pork chops with a big old fat ring on there. My goodness. I mean, look, this lockdown has sucked for everybody, right? But over the past couple years, hell, we've been spoiled in certain ways. Because everybody that lived here, there's no competition. Once you could get around a little bit, you go to a hotel, you're the only guest there. I went on Agoda the other day, looking at some hotels and booked up. There was no rooms on Agoda. The family rooms are booked. The times have changed. I'm not complaining. They've changed for the better. And I'm excited about that, because I'm ready to travel too. But damn, can't go get me some pork chops. Well, what's a Filipina to do when she can't get no pork chops with a big fat ring on it? Now look, they did have some adobo bites, or not bites, adobo cuts, like cubes. They're looking a little old. Look like them hogs came off of Noah's Ark or something. I was like, nah, I ain't going with that. You know how it is when you go to the meat shop. Sometimes the meat looks good, sometimes it don't. But the pork loin was fresh, it looked good. So that's what I had to go with.
You are my everything.
I know I am, baby. I know I am. Keep singing about me, honey. Honey, what's it like to be married to the best husband in the entire world? I'm rich. I got skills. I'm a chef. I look good. How's it feel, baby, to hit the lottery? You hit the jackpot lottery when it came to foreign guys. You won, baby. You win the gold medal. Honey, I'm talking about how you won the lottery